Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 2. Chat after school. How was the test today? It was really hard. Did you do well in math? Not at all. Are you hungry? I am starving. Want to grab something? Sounds good. Do you have club practice today? It is cancelled today. Lucky you. I am so happy. Did you finish your homework? Only halfway. Can you finish it tonight? Probably not. Isn't that teacher strict? Super strict. He got angry again. Every single day. What time did you sleep yesterday? Around 2 a.m. That is way too late. I am exhausted today. What did you have for lunch? I had curry. Was it good? It was amazing. Have you been gaming lately? Every day. What game are you playing? A soccer game. What is our next class again? I think it is English. Do you have the textbook? Yep, I do. Isn't it too hot today? It is terrible. I want ice cream. Same here. Aren't you excited for the school festival? I cannot wait. What are you doing there? A haunted house. Did you talk to him lately? Just a little. It feels awkward. I get it. Are you going home early today? Probably. What will you do at home? I am going straight to bed. Did you know about tomorrow's quiz? That is news to me. I did not study at all. Me neither. Want to walk to the station together? Sure. I am tired today. It was such a long day. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.